Did you know a car accident doesn't directly affect your credit score? However, certain financial challenges that might follow can. Now let's take a closer look at how this works. There are a number of ways in which an accident could be indirectly affecting your credit score, and here they are. First, unpaid medical bills. If you have medical expenses from the accident and don't pay them on time, they could be sent to collections. Remember that collection accounts can significantly affect your credit score. The second is loan defaults or missed payments. Financial strain from the accident might make it harder to keep up with payments on your auto loan, credit cards, or other debts. If you fail to make your payments on time, it can damage your credit. Third, higher credit utilization. When you use your credit card to pay for unexpected costs, such as repairs or medical bills, this may increase your utilization ratio. If your ratio is higher, you are more likely to have a lower score. Fourth, insurance claim implications. Filing a claim doesn't affect your credit, but if out-of-pocket expenses or deductibles remain unpaid, your score might take a hit. And finally, financing a replacement vehicle. If your car is totaled and you need a new one, the lender will perform a hard inquiry on your credit report. You may experience a small temporary drop in your credit score as a result of this. So how can you protect your credit if you're dealing with the aftermath of an accident? If you're struggling financially, talk with your creditors. Let them know if you need a hardship program and let them know what's going on with your finances. 2. Review your credit report. Make sure that there are no errors or accounts that have been sent to collections. And 3. Pay bills on time. Whatever the amount of your monthly bill is, paying it on time, even if it's just the minimum payment, will help you protect your credit. If you take proactive steps, you can minimize the financial impact of a car accident and protect your credit as well. Stay informed about what is happening with your finances and stay on top of them.